Good morning, Kevin. Peter from 1CNC. Neil's asked me to give you a bell and just to explain or to go through how we machine an open pocket. Well, he's given me this file. There are no dimensions on it, so I've just drawn something up that represents what we're trying to look at. Okay, well, I've done all this on separate layers just so you can see exactly what's going on. First of all, your main profile is your billet profile along with the cutout that you want to put in the job. On the second layer, which I've called pocket boundary, that basically just has to cover the boundary or the open section of the pocket. However, you will notice on the front face, I have offset the line from the front face by approximately 0.1 of a millimeter. That is purely because you can't have two lines sat on each other to create boundaries. So just extend the front edge by a minimal amount of, say, 0.1 millimeters. Once you've got your boundaries set up, you're simply going to stock toolpaths, select high-speed pocketing, and where it says select the first closed or open boundary at the bottom, you select the boundary covering your open pocket. The prompt will then change. Select all of the boundaries in Island, which is your main body profile, and you just simply left click and then you right click to end the command. We can then select the tool of our choice, speeds and feeds, usual, rapid plane, plunge clearance, material top, and obviously the depth that you want that pocket to be in, and select next. You then select your high speed open command. Because we're starting outside of the material, we can plunge, step over, obviously depending on the material, the tooling, and the depth that you're going to be working with. I'm not really too worried about leaving stock on the sides or on the bottom. And there you have an open boundary cut. Tool obviously starting outside the profile, working its way onto the inside. Now, just for simulation purposes, I have created a simulation boundary, which is exactly the same size as your main profile. So we can right click on the toolpath group, simulate rest, picking a boundary, top of the job and bottom of the job, and select OK. Then we just simply select the boundary and right click to finish. And as you can see, the tool starts outside the boundary and works its way in towards the pocket profile. And that's it. If you have any questions, please just give me a shout. Cheers. Bye bye.